Training custom machine learning models is a critical and powerful aspect of processing, understanding, and monetizing visual data. Based on artificial intelligence, this approach allows the fast and effective categorization of massive amounts of images and videos according to particular needs of a business. In contrast to traditional image classification, with custom AI model training, your system is taught to recognize concepts from your visual data, the concepts you care about and that hold potential for your business development. You can set any type of category for the classification process as long as the categories are clear and don't overlap with each other. This makes you the architect of your visual data classification. Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video we will go over the basics about machine learning and image categorization, and we will understand how custom AI model training based on machine learning actually works. Machine learning employs algorithms mimicking the way humans learn. This way, the technology can learn and get better at its job with time. Platforms based on machine learning have the capacity to expand their capabilities and knowledge in unprecedented ways, with precision and accuracy growing with every bit of new data processed. Simply put, machine learning means learning by doing. In technical terms, machine learning algorithms are taught to classify data and make predictions based on specific machine learning methods. This makes them a powerful tool for unraveling insights from data that would take years to process otherwise. Some popular uses of machine learning that we are already experiencing, even in daily life, include recommendation engines like the series and film suggestions that you get from your streaming platform, and of course, the self-driving cars. Going a step further in understanding AI machine learning, it's good to present the term deep learning too. Often machine learning and deep learning are seen as identical, but in fact, deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. It entails a different learning process and has been referred to as scalable machine learning. While machine learning is a broader field that encompasses a wide range of techniques and algorithms for various types of data, deep learning is a specific subset of machine learning that focuses on neural networks with deep architectures and excels at handling unstructured data. This makes it more independent from human input and able to process large amounts of data. Traditional machine learning, on the other hand, is more dependent on human actions and in particular, more structured set of data for learning. Image categorization, also referred to as image classification, is powered by computer vision. It uses machine learning and image processing to sort images and videos by distributing them into categories that are usually set in advance. It may also be one of the most significant elements of digital image analysis today. Image categorization is widely used in a number of fields. Most notably, it's the basic tool for automating content moderation online, but also in database sorting, product discovery in the field of commerce and retail, and asset management in technology and cloud services, among many others. In essence, the powerful business use of image categorization is that it allows you to gain control over huge image sets. The engine is taught to discern different categories through a set of local and global visual features. Once it learns them, it's able to spot the precise category for a new visual that it processes. To get an idea of how Imagga's image categorization engine works, you can check our visual categorization demo. Our image categorization API boasts a couple of powerful features. It's accurate in its classification, it's scalable even for enterprises, it's simple and adaptable for cloud, on-premise, or edge, and it's customizable to specific needs of your business. Creating custom models is at the heart of performing effective analysis of specific visual data that businesses need today. Preset categories don't always satisfy these needs, and hence customization becomes the key. With AI image custom model training, you can specify precisely the categories that your visual content has to be distributed to. The number of categories is limited theoretically, but in practice, Imagga's custom training can handle training for tens of thousands of categories. The custom trained model, tailored to the specifics of your business, can then be paired with Imagga's categorization API, providing you with a powerful tool to classify visual data and maximize its use and impact. The training datasets have to be inserted into the engine containing sample visual data for each category. The categories have to be non-overlapping and straightforward. Our machine learning experts build a deep learning classification model based on your data and the specific categories that you set. Content that has already been classified is used for the training so that the engine gets accurate principles for categorizations. Afterwards, it can process new content and automatically classify it according to the newly created categories. The newly trained model is embedded in an API that is seamlessly integrated with the systems and the workflows that your business is already using. Through a customer demo, you can evaluate the model in advance. A great example of the powerful combination between Imagga's image categorization API and custom training is a case study of our work from PlantSnap. PlantSnap is an app that helps people identify any plant anywhere on the planet. It's an amazing knowledge base where you can find all kinds of floral species. You just take a photo of the plant you want to identify, and the app provides you with its name and information about it. To power up the plant recognition, PlantSnap needed an image categorizer that could handle a massive amount of categories, as there are 320,000 different species worldwide. We invested in getting the DJX station from NVIDIA, powerful hardware that we paired with our outstanding computer vision technology. The result is all that we expected it to be. The custom model that we built for PlantSnap is 10 times faster in training and doesn't compromise accuracy. It's combined with our state-of-the-art image categorization API that boosts high accuracy rates. In the development process, we successfully resolved another challenge: plant lookalikes. Even plants with similar visual characteristics can now be identified and discerned by Imagga's custom trained model. As a result of our effort, Imagga is now a core technology in the PlantSnap app, boosting accurate plant recognition for all types of flora species worldwide. 320,000 plants classification with a 90% precision rate for the top 5 results of each search. Thanks to our extensive experience in providing image recognition and categorization tools for companies from a variety of industries, we're equipped to create powerful, tailor-made solutions. Want to start building your custom-trained model for image classification? Get in touch to learn more about our solutions from Imagga's experts.